Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Formstack with OAuth for submission processing, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Formstack with OAuth for submission processing, begin by logging into your Formstack account. Navigate to the integrations section within the dashboard. Select the OAuth 2.0 option from the list of available integrations. Click on the Add New Integration button to initiate the setup. Enter a name for your integration that clearly identifies its purpose. In the Client ID field, input the unique client ID obtained from your OAuth provider. Next, enter the client's secret provided by your OAuth service. Specify the authorization URL where users will be redirected for authentication. Input the token URL, which is essential for token exchange during the authorization process. For redirection, provide the callback URL from your Formstack application. Fill in the scope field, listing the permissions your application requires. Review the details entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Authorize button to establish the connection. You will be redirected to the login page of your OAuth provider. Authenticate using your OAuth credentials. After successful authentication, you will be redirected back to Formstack. The integration is now active, and the status should reflect as connected. Feel free to test the integration by submitting a sample form. Check the submission results to verify that everything functions as expected. If any issues arise, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot potential configuration errors. With these steps completed, your Formstack is now authorized with OAuth for submission processing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.